Next up is the fifth dish for Christmas, 5. Mashed potatoes introduction, an essential side dish that provides a creamy, comforting element to balance the rich meats of the Christmas meal. Ingredients preparation: potatoes, starch variety, 1 kilogram unsalted butter, 100 grams heavy cream or whole milk, 100 milliliters seasoning, salt, ground pepper, garlic powder, dry thyme, step-by-step instructions. Peel the potatoes and cut them into even pieces. Boil them in salted water until fork tender, about 15 to 20 minutes. Drain the potatoes completely, mash the potatoes immediately while hot using a ricer or masher. Gradually incorporate the softened butter and warmed cream, milk, whipping or mixing until the mixture is smooth and fluffy, seasoned to taste. Presentation and serving: scoop the mashed potatoes into a deep serving bowl, swirl the top with a spoon. Drizzle with hot gravy and sprinkle with chopped chives or parsley. Notes: do not overmix or use a food processor, as this releases too much starch and makes the potatoes gluey or sticky. Please see the sixth dish next.